According to Wikipedia, an aircraft is a machine that is able to fly by gaining support from the air or in general the atmosphere of a planet. The first aerial device was a model helicopter built by Sir George Kelly in the 18th century. Later on, Kelly also built a model glider, a kite, mounted on a stick with a movable tail, which he tested on a 10-year-old boy aboard. It, however, only carried the boy for one short flight. Almost 100 years later, precisely on the 17th of December 1903, two brothers named Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright, who were both bicycle repairers, flew at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. This flight was recorded as the first sustained and controlled heavier-than-air powered flight.